Hello and welcome, my friends. This is Leo Darin, your teacher and friend from the Leo English channel. Are you ready to improve your English listening skills? Great! Today, we are going to listen to a short story about daily routine. Simple, useful, and easy to understand. This listening practice is perfect for beginners, level A1 and A2. Before we begin, I want you to do something important. Please find a quiet place, wear your headphones, and focus only on the story. You can listen many times. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. The goal is to understand the general idea and learn some new words. Let's begin our journey together. I'll speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's go! Hi, I'm Leo. Let me tell you about my daily routine. Every day I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I open my eyes, take a deep breath, and smile. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee and eat some breakfast. Usually I eat bread with butter and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit, like bananas or apples. At 7:30, I start my work. I sit at my desk and turn on my laptop. I work from home, so I don't need to travel. That's great. In the morning, I check my emails, write lesson plans, and prepare videos for my students. At 10:30, I take a short break. I drink water or tea and walk a little in my room. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch. My lunch is usually rice, chicken, and vegetables. I like cooking. It's fun and healthy. In the afternoon, I teach English online. I have many students from different countries. I speak with them, correct their mistakes, and help them understand English better. I finish work at 5 o'clock. After work, I relax a little. I listen to music, read a book, or go outside. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park. I like the fresh air. In the evening, I cook dinner. I eat dinner at around 7 p.m. Then I clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, and sit on the sofa. Sometimes I watch English movies or talk with my friends on the phone. At 9:30 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into my pajamas. Before I sleep, I write in my journal. I write about my day and my plans. Then I turn off the light and go to sleep at around 10 p.m. This is my daily routine. It's simple, but I like it. What about you? What is your daily routine like? Great job, my friend! You listened to the full story. That's amazing! Now, let's review together. You heard many useful verbs like wake up, brush, eat, cook, clean, walk, read, write, sleep. These are common actions in daily life. Try to remember them. You can also repeat after me. Thank you for your watching.